Welcome to Walsall Classic and Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer to you this lovely 2010 registered Mercedes SL300. It's a facelift model finished in Iridium Silver with contrasting black upholstery with silver stitching, sitting on these lovely 5-spoke 19-inch AMG wheels which are diamond cut inserts. Low mileage car, just 2 owners from new, 6 Mercedes services up to 55,000 miles. It's now done 58. It's just in fabulous condition all round. Just needs a private plate. High spec car, Xenon lights with high pressure wash, front fog lights, front rear park sensors. Condition is fabulous. There are just a few minor stone chips on the front, but very little in general. Inside the car is fabulous as well. It's got a panoramic roof, it's got the air scarf, memory seats, sorry, not memory seats, heated seats I should say. Put the top up for you in a few moments. Soft closed boot, then we've got the panoramic roof. Inside the boot, very clean boot. It's got extra leads for auxiliary connections. The tools are all there with the air compressor. Locking wheel bolts with the car. And there's soft closed boot. Condition is fabulous. Okay, inside the car, there we've got the air scarf, driver's seat, nowhere to the bolsters, stainless steel entry guards there. There we've got the heated seats left and right, and the air scarf control, high pressure wash, auto lights, paddle shift transmission. There we see the mileage 58,705. Obviously got a command system with Bluetooth, folding door mirrors. Just very clean, no marks anywhere on the car. I'll just pop the roof up for you now. Fabulous roof, these Mercedes are very aromatic. This is nice with the glass panel with a blind. So everything working. We'll take you up the road in the car in a few moments. We'll just pop the bonnet for you just to have a look under the bonnet. So we've got a 6-cylinder economical version. This is the rarest of them all. 6-cylinder, 230 brake horsepower, still fast, 7.8 seconds 0 to 60. Limited top speed 255 miles per hour. Engine's running. Lovely condition inside and out and under the bonnet. So we'll take you up the road in a few moments and just show you how it behaves on the road. Thank you. Okay, we'll just take you up the road in this beautiful Mercedes SL300. 58,000 miles from new, 2 owners, spotless inside and out. Out on Lincolnshire Wolds today. So, open top motoring for all seasons. We've got air scarf, we've got climate control, we've got heated seats. Steering's dead straight ahead. Creature comforts, we've got Sat Nav, Command system, Bluetooth, CD player, cruise control with speed limit. We've got voice control, electric steering column, folding door mirrors, paddle shift on the transmission. Quite a rare sight, these facelifted R230s, only built with the SL300 from sort of 2009 to 2012. 230 brake horsepower, V6 in the ferry. faultless, everything driving dead straight ahead. No vibrations, no wobbles on the brakes or anything. No undue creaks and rattles from the suspension or running. All you need is a private plane to make this car look a lot more expensive. Quite surprising performance, keep down working well. There's no brakes, no vibrations, pulling up squarely. Full service history up to 55,000 miles, 6 Mercedes stamps. Just a lovely place to be. So if you are interested in one of these cars, which you should be, telephone number is 01507 606 725, or visit this video with loads of photos on our website www.roadsideclassics.co.uk.